Yeah.
And welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done a sit down talking video in a very long time, so I decided I might as well do one or a few since I've been off my channel for so long. So what I did was I asked you guys to ask me some questions using what's the thing called, YOLO and Instagram, but no one messaged me on Instagram, so obviously you guys don't like me there. But yeah, that's besides the point. So that's what I want to do. So I'm opening my app and I'm gonna get straight into it. Some of these questions are quite inappropriate. So someone asked a question, what is your bride price? I don't know.
Will it be this year or next year? Will you be single forever?
And then a dream holiday destination would be, at the moment, the dream holiday or the holiday on the top of my list is Bali, but coronavirus.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
So yeah, next question is, one step in your makeup routine you cannot leave out. Is lashes now. Is lashes. I'd rather not wear makeup if I can't wear lashes. So I think lashes. What keeps you going when you feel done or like giving up? At the moment what I do is I do like a facial. I do like a facial, or I watch my favourite show, or like I watch a movie, or watch something funny. At the moment I'm watching Def Comedy Jam. So when I'm feeling low, I do that. So yeah, someone asked, why are you so loud and obnoxious? I don't know, that's how God created me, so, you know. Yeah. Someone asked, favourite thing you miss that you can't do because of quarantine? I miss going to Nando's. I miss Nando's. I just want Nando's. Is that too much to ask? And why did they not open my local Nando's for delivery? And same thing with McDonald's. Why didn't they open the local ones? They've gone and opened 3 in Luton. Like, who wants to go to Luton? Who wants to go to Wellington? Who wants to go to Gillingham? Why were those McDonald's opened and not out like 1 in each? Like, I don't know. What are they called again? County, that's it. I've answered my own question. Thank you very much for your help. County. Someone said, what's my ideal first date? Something fun. Do you get called your Ghanaian name in the house or your English name? Okay, so when my mom wants something from me, it's Jenny or Abrafi. If I'm in trouble, it's Jennifer. So that's why I don't like people calling me Jennifer. And that's probably why I end up going with Abrafi. What's my favourite colour? My favourite colour is grey. That's why my bed is grey. Someone also asked, what are my favourite Netflix shows? Or shows on Netflix, should I say. So definitely, oh my god, what's the show called? Eve. I really like Greenleaf. Elite. Obviously Power was good. Too Hot to Handle was really good. Trying to think. What was that show called again?
What show?
The one where they went on the island and they were actually in prison.
Oh.
I think it's called The Island. And barely anyone spoke about that show. Is lit. And obviously RuPaul's Drag Race. I hate these questions. I hate these questions like, what do you look for in a man? Like, yeah, I'm not gonna come tell you. 2 channels you're subscribed to on YouTube. So, Annie Drea, and on the top of my head, it's a free my thing. Go check them out. Prefer gifts as presents or experiences? I'll choose experiences over gifts because they mean more. But I like gifts too, you know. I like gifts. Are you a texter or do you prefer phone conversations? I'm definitely a texter. Don't call me. I don't like being on the phone with people as much. If I'm on the phone to you for more than an hour on a regular basis, I got love for you because I actually hate phone calls. I don't like them. Answer this last question. Sweetest thing someone has done for you. So If you didn't know, it was my birthday on the 1st, and I didn't think anyone would take me serious. I jokingly put my Amazon wish list on there, and people actually bought me stuff. And those people, y'all know who you were. Thank you so much. Some of them are the reason why I'm able to record right now. But yeah, so I think that's enough for today, because some of y'all were moving shy with questions, so y'all didn't want to ask me, but it's okay. So do comment, like and subscribe per usual, and let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, I will put up a video in the coming week of how I achieved this look, so y'all gonna be able to see. It's really quick and easy. I didn't cut my crease, okay? It's a cut crease, but I did not cut my crease, so I'll show you all of that. So yeah, my socials, which will all be linked in the box below. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. Okay, tomorrow, this week, next year. Well, this isn't awkward at all.